When it comes to enhancing your home's beauty and market value, few upgrades make as noticeable a difference as window replacement. In East Northport, where homes range from charming coastal cottages to modern suburban estates, new windows can dramatically transform your property's curb appeal. The right window replacement not only updates the aesthetic of your home but also improves comfort, efficiency, and overall livability, factors that resonate with homeowners and buyers alike. Aesthetic transformation that stands out: windows are one of the most visible elements of any home's exterior. Over time, weather exposure, fading, and wear can make even the most beautiful homes appear dated or neglected. Replacing outdated or damaged windows instantly refreshes your home's facade. In East Northport, homeowners often choose window styles that complement the area's architectural diversity, whether it's double-hung windows for traditional colonials or large picture windows that showcase scenic surroundings. Clean lines, new trim, and modern materials add sophistication and visual harmony, ensuring your home looks well-maintained and inviting from the street. Customization for unique home designs. Window replacement is not just about swapping out old frames. It's an opportunity to customize your home's look. Modern replacement options offer endless design flexibility, including frame colors, grid patterns, and glass finishes that match your home's character. For instance, vinyl windows in sleek neutral tones can create a crisp, modern look, while wood-clad options preserve the charm of older East Northport homes. Adding specialty windows, like bay or bow styles, can introduce architectural interest and depth to an otherwise flat exterior. The right combination of design and placement enhances the symmetry and personality of your home, making it stand out in the neighborhood. Improved energy efficiency adds long-term value beyond aesthetics. New windows bring functional improvements that add to curb appeal indirectly. Modern window technologies, such as double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and insulated frames, significantly reduce energy loss. For East Northport homeowners, where seasonal temperature changes can be substantial, this means improved comfort year-round and lower utility costs. Energy-efficient windows also demonstrate a commitment to sustainability in modern living, something potential buyers increasingly value. Homes with Energy Star-rated windows often appear more desirable, signaling quality construction and thoughtful upgrades that pay off both visually and practically. Enhanced natural light and interior appeal. While curb appeal focuses on exterior impressions, it's important to remember that windows bridge the inside and outside of your home. New, clear, and well-designed windows invite natural light, making interiors appear brighter and more spacious. When viewing a home from the street or driveway, the glow from clean, energy-efficient glass enhances warmth and hospitality. Homes in East Northport often benefit from large windows that capture natural scenery, lush gardens, coastal skies, or tree-lined streets. The visual continuity between interior light and outdoor design adds to a home's charm and elegance. Increased home value and marketability. First impressions are crucial in real estate, and window replacement offers one of the highest returns on investment among home improvement projects. A visually refreshed home with modern, efficient windows immediately signals quality and care to potential buyers. Real estate professionals in East Northport consistently note that homes with updated windows tend to sell faster and for higher prices than those with older installations. Whether you plan to sell soon or simply want to elevate your home's appearance, window replacement delivers measurable value. It's a practical improvement that merges style with substance, ensuring your property looks as good as it performs. Final thoughts. A smart investment in beauty and comfort. Upgrading your windows is about more than aesthetics. It's about creating a lasting impression that enhances both your home's curb appeal and your daily comfort. For East Northport homeowners, window replacement represents an ideal balance between design enhancement and energy efficiency. The result is a home that looks refreshed, feels comfortable, and stands out proudly in the neighborhood. If you're looking to transform your home's exterior, consider window replacement as the perfect blend of visual elegance and practical performance. A true investment in your property's future.